Hello YouTube. Today I'm working on a new project here. I'm working on a Samsung robot. Let me check the model on this one. Just bear with me there. So this one is model, it's a pretty long number. I believe it's a 900 series that we're working on. So anyways, so what the problem is that we're having is that the vacuum is not charging. So once we charge it with, the dock assembly, nothing is happening. And what we did, we took it apart, and what we found out was that this motor, I don't know if you can see it, but that piece was broken. So, and then the spring was completely loose. It wasn't working how it's supposed to. You see how this one is, you got the spring attaching this one. Let me just get this screw here before I lose it. I don't want to lose any screws here. Okay, so we're back now. So yeah, so this is the so we fixed that part, and now we're gonna put it back together, and hopefully everything works. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it back together. I've taken the cover. So here. So of course you gotta remove a couple of screws. You gotta remove the side wheel, which is this one here. So that one goes right here, and you have to remove it in order to get this out. So once you get that out, then if you're having the same problem, so this is the way to fix it. Hoping that that's the problem, So we're gonna put it back together, and then we'll test it, and we'll update you